and goes to, you see the little meter there on the side of the building.
Mm-hmm.
That's the electric for the building that goes right beside of the driveway there. And if you look, the grass is greener, where it was, and that was done like 2 years ago. So that's the only lines you need to worry about. That's over there.
Okay.
The electric line here and the one below to the RV down there comes from the box down there, comes across and across underneath of here. So you don't need to worry about those because they're covered up.
Mm-hmm.
So the rest of them is all on the drawing as to where they're located. The main thing you need to be concerned about is where they are down there, and that's all in the drawing there, of where it is.
Okay.
There's 2 manholes here that's 6 feet deep, and those will be they're for controlling the water, to different places. There's shut-off valves on them. If there would ever happen to be a leak or whatever, that you can get to that and shut that off and fix wherever that portion might be, instead of not knowing where it might be in a couple hundred feet or whatever. So that's what those manholes are. They're 6 feet deep, 4 by 4 by 6, and down in there to the ground. Also, the irrigation water comes into the one down there in that side.
Okay.
Irrigation water comes through that one and goes continual, pretty much with the tree line. And you can, when you're up there, you can see where that water line is. You can see where it was dug. It's this side of the trees on every one of those, and so on. And there's a hydrant out there, which is also for the irrigation water. The only 2 culinary water that we have on the place is this one right here and that one right down there.
Okay.
Unfortunately, these are blue hydrants, and there's other blue hydrants on here that the guy that originally done the work up here put those in. I didn't want the same color hydrants in for culinary as was for the irrigation water, but that's what we ended up getting. But just so that you know, the only 2 culinaries are these 2 right here at the RV pads.
Okay, so right there and right there. So the 2 blue ones by the RV pads are the culinary water.
Now, if you want to shut that off a minute, we'll go out and we'll get.
Trace them. I could ping them. I could do this, that, and the other.
We'll get
So
down
the
there.
water's critical.
We'll start from there and kind of come this way, and